drop experiment, and so the egg is in the box covered in this type of foam in another box in a toilet paper roll, and so we duct tape it around. The foam is to cushion the fall in and out of the box, and the toilet paper roll is to keep the egg from moving.
Okay.
So what do you reckon? Do you reckon it survived?
Yes. So now we just open it.
Careful, don't break it. Oh, that's right. Oh, careful. It survived the fall. It's a table problem.
Yes!
Success!